So have you guys been getting a lot of rain where you are? I know we have. Animals are doing okay. Cats are doing okay. But take a look at this creek. You know our creek. Look at this. That's high. We usually have a good long drop down to that creek. Look how high it is. See the trees coming out? If you've looked at our previous videos, you'll kind of remember our creek. We've been getting a ton of rain. Let me come over here. Look it. I mean, it's right up here. There's flooding actually all over the city. There's a lot of roads closed right now. That's a lot of water. So that's our creek update for today. Hopefully this rain stops soon. We're not too worried yet because it's been a little bit higher one time. But this is a lot of water. Oh, those poor geese. I see geese down there trying to float in it. I can imagine there's a lot of lost baby geese right now. What a shame. But animals are fed, so it's time for breakfast. And we'll talk to you later. So I wanted to show you guys what we're working on today. It's not too great, but we found this chair on the side of the road as usual. And it was pretty cool. You can see the seat is a little beat up, but it's overall in good shape. It's got some mildew on the bottom of the feet, but it's solid and the seat lifts up, and I think that's kind of cool. So I'm going to be refinishing it, put a new seat cover on it, and clean it up. I picked up this fabric. I think it's really cool. And I'm going to be using that for the cover. It was $2 for the fabric, so all in all, if it goes well, it'll be a $2 chair. And we'll see how it goes. So I just unscrewed the chair from the hinges. I mean the seat from the hinges. And I'm just peeling this off. I'm going to reuse the foam, but not this. It's like a plastic cover. It's just kind of like moldy looking. It was probably in a damp spot. So basically just ripping it off. And I'll come back when I get that off. So we're just going to door that. So it stays kind of down. There it goes. Yeah. So the cushion is done. I don't know if you're going to hear me, but I just want to show you because Ashley's watching the Texas Boys live, so we can't miss that.
So
that's playing right now.
Rather than
but
just ask
came
for
out
money,
good.
not that there's anything wrong with that, because
See, I just kind of folded it under,
generous, but,
stapled it.
we figured we'd try to.
I'm going to go ahead and screw this back on, and then we'll clean up the wood and it should be done. So I guess I'll go. We'll watch the Texas Boys. I'll finish up this project and we'll see how it looks when it's finished.
Right now, that
We just want to make it look normal again. I'll do the bottom to seal it up. It might not win. Well, here's the finished product. So, came out pretty good. And here's the bottom. You can see the staples, but that doesn't bother me. Cleaned it up. You can see a little bit on the feet. You can still see where it was stained, but it's better looking. Well, we did some other things today too, fixed the gutter on the house and some odds and ends, but all in all, pretty dull day. Another cold, windy, wet day, so just wanted to share what we did with our day today. So that's all until tomorrow.